and thanks for joining me today as I unbox my 2 Comma Club award. So firstly, what is a 2 Comma Club award? A 2 Comma Club award is awarded by Clickfunnels, which is a software company, a funnel and sales software company that we use in our business. And over the past few weeks, months, years, we've used our one sales funnel and we've generated over £1 million, and that's what the 2 commas are, because it's 2 commas in £1 million. So let's have a look at what a 2 Comma Club award actually looks like. So exciting. Okay, are we ready? So let's have a look at what a 2 Comma Club award actually looks like. Oh, so exciting. Okay, so here we have our 2 Comma Club award. Okay, let's get it out. The next thing we have to decide is where we're going to put our 2 Comma Club. Okay, are you ready? So this is what it looks like right here. There we go, try getting the light not shining on it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what we did to get our 2 Comma Club award. Those of you discovering me for the first time, I'm Jessica Crane, and I'm a wealth and business coach for salon owners and high-level female entrepreneurs, and we help our clients to grow and scale their business. Now, most important, we help them to maximize their business for profit, and we do this so that we can then help them to use that profit to create diverse income streams. Now, that might be other businesses, it might be passive income, whatever their goals are. So ultimately, we want them to create generational wealth. So that their wealth, they inject what we call the wealth cycle, where their money is making more money. That's our goal for you, so that you can really live the lifestyle that you dreamt of when you first opened your business, that you're benefiting financially, you're reaching your purpose, you're reaching your true potential, you're having the impact that you desired to have, and most importantly, you're having that time freedom that you wanted when you started your business, so that you can spend your days choosing what you're really passionate about doing.
Jessica Crane, international award-winning wealth and business coach, helping thousands of female entrepreneurs across the globe create long-term wealth and craft the life and business of their dreams. Jessica is a serial entrepreneur with multiple 7-figure businesses, educator, coach, mentor, property investor, presenter, speaker, author, and awards judge. Winner for Innovation of the Year. Winner, Female Entrepreneur of the Year. Winner, Clickfunnels Two Comma Club Award. Jessica teaches her clients how to master wealth and business with her signature proven frameworks. Her clients now see over £100,000 in profit and seeing up to 86% net profit in months, buy houses and commercial property in cash, create financial security to step away from their businesses. Jessica has helped hundreds of female entrepreneurs 2x, 5x, and 10x their business growth and sales. Create long-term wealth as well as passive income streams and generational security for them, their families, and their teams. Jessica's mission is to help millions of women create huge success and craft the life they dreamt of. If you will open your mind and allow her to share with you her principles, she can help you change your life for the better. Please welcome Jessica Crane.